In this video, I'm going to explain the YouTube TV free trial duration and how it works for new users in 2025. As of now, YouTube TV typically offers a 7-day free trial for first-time subscribers, allowing you to explore the service's live TV, on-demand content, and features like cloud DVR before committing to the subscription. This free trial gives you full access to the platform, including over 100 channels, 3 simultaneous streams, and unlimited DVR storage. However, the availability and duration of free trials can change over time, so by 2025, the policy might differ. To confirm, always check the official YouTube TV website or app during sign-up for the most up-to-date information. Keep in mind that you'll need to provide payment details when starting the trial. If you don't cancel before the trial ends, you'll be charged the monthly subscription fee, which is currently $72.99 per month. If free trials are no longer offered in 2025, keep an eye out for limited-time promotions or discounts for new users. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand YouTube TV's free trial duration, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.